Well, welcome. My name's Jeff, and this is my first video, so I guess that makes me a video virgin. I wanted to show you how to install a thread cert using a Bridgeport milling machine. Now, I know most people don't have it, but I guess this is something that worked for me. I had a whole bunch of these threaded inserts I need to install into wood. So I have a Bridgeport milling machine here. In back there, I have a phase converter to convert my 240 volt power to a 208 three-phase for the machine. The great part about that is it gives me complete control over the motor, and it actually has motor braking. Anyway, let's get to it. I have these parts. They've all cut out. Supposed to get these thread certs in them. It says to drill a 33/64 inch hole, but I actually used a 1/2 inch bit, but it is slightly bigger, so it's pretty much 33/64. If you've ever tried to put one of these in before, they screw in, but it's hard to get them in straight, and it takes a lot of pressure to get it in. So without further ado, I'll show you how to get that in there. All right, so the first part is we have the thread cert, and I actually bought the tool from Easy Lock. This is an Easy Lock 5/16 thread cert. This is a Easy Lock 500-4 tool. It's got a little ball bearing right there, and the two things. It inserts in just like this. That helps me get it straight in the machine. So take that up, take that part, chuck it up into my machine. I have a work stop set up here. Tighten that in the vise. I'm going to put a little dab of wax right here on the edge as it goes in. It actually helps it go in much smoother. Highly recommend a little wax. Slide this up. We'll get it lined up. I can do some fine adjustments with the milling machine. There we go. I'm going to put downward pressure as we go. I can actually put a lot of downward pressure, but we don't need that much. Got it all lined up. Turn on the machine. There we go. And here's a close-up shot of me doing the same thing over again. Well, I hope you like that. Just one more thing that we can put in our bag of tricks if you have the right equipment. We all have different machines and different ways of doing it. I hope it gives you some ideas on what you can do for putting these things in.